Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will learn how to install Istio on a Kubernetes cluster. So first of all, we will deploy a Kubernetes cluster using Minikube, and then we will install Istio on the Kubernetes cluster using the istioctl tool. So first of all, we will execute the command minikube start to deploy the cluster using Minikube. So here Minikube starts creating the cluster on our local system. So now the cluster was successfully deployed, so we can start executing kubectl commands, okay? So for example, if we execute the command kubectl get namespaces, to list the namespaces that we have in the cluster. So look now, we have only these 4 namespaces, okay? So we didn't have any namespace related to Istio. So now we will install Istio using the istioctl command. And later we will notice that a new namespace will be created for Istio. And in this namespace, we will have some Kubernetes objects and resources that are part of Istio. So to install Istio, we will execute the command istioctl install. If we continue with this command, it will use the default profile when installing Istio, but for demo purposes, we can use the demo profile using the -- set option, and we set the profile to demo. So let's continue with this command. So here it says that this will install Istio with the demo profile into the cluster. So here we will choose yes to proceed with the demo profile. So here it starts installing the main components of Istio, like the Istio D, the Istio ingress gateway, and the Istio egress gateway. And finally, it tells us that the installation was completed, okay? So now Istio was successfully installed on the cluster. And now if we execute the command kubectl get namespaces again. So look now, we have a new namespace. It is called Istio system, and it is created 41 seconds ago, okay? So this namespace is created when installing Istio using the istioctl install command. And now let's see the resources that we have in this namespace. So first of all, we will execute the command kubectl get all. So we want to list all the objects that we have in the Istio system namespace. So look now, we have a lot of Kubernetes objects that are part of the Istio system and that are created when installing Istio on the cluster. So we have 3 deployments that are created, and we have 3 replica sets that are created under these deployments. And here we have also some services. And if we scroll up, so here we have the pods that are created when installing Istio. We have also some roles and role bindings that are created when installing Istio. You can verify that using the kubectl get command, and here we will use roles. We'll continue with the Istio system namespace. So we have 3 roles that are created when installing Istio, and the same for role bindings. We have also some custom resource definition. So if we execute kubectl get custom resource definitions. We'll continue with the Istio namespace. So these custom resource definitions are part of the Istio installation. So they are created when installing Istio using the istioctl install command. Okay. So that's how we can install Istio using the istioctl tool to work with the Istio Service Mesh. Now, if we want to uninstall Istio, we can do that using the istioctl uninstall command with the -- purge option. So with this option, we will delete all the objects that are part of the Istio installation. So it will delete all the services, all the deployments, and all the Kubernetes objects and resources that are part of the Istio installation. So let's test that. So we will execute the istioctl uninstall command. So it says that all the Istio resources will be pruned from the cluster. So here we will choose yes. And now it starts removing all the resources that are part of the Istio installation. So now if we execute the command kubectl get namespaces again. So here the Istio system namespace still exists, but all the resources that are created under this namespace are removed. Okay. So for example, if we execute the command kubectl get all with the Istio system namespace, so here it says that no resources found in the Istio system namespace. The same for the roles and the role bindings. And for the custom resource definitions. Okay. So this command, the istioctl uninstall command with the -- purge option will delete all the resources that are part of the Istio installation. So that's how we can install or uninstall Istio on a Kubernetes cluster. In the upcoming lectures, we will start deploying applications with Istio. So that's it for now. Thank you very much, and we will continue in the upcoming lectures.